to the channel. Today we're showing you the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome, the new face of luxury travel. If you enjoy futuristic motorhome content like this, stay with us till the end. There's a lot more to see. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.
The world of luxury motorhomes has just witnessed the arrival of something so spectacular and commanding that it redefines what mobile luxury means in the 21st century. The 2026 Kenworth Motorhome stands before us as a masterpiece of American engineering and custom craftsmanship. A stunning creation finished in a dramatic black and gold color scheme that exudes power, prestige, and uncompromising luxury. This isn't just a motorhome, this is a rolling statement of success. Built on Kenworth's legendary heavy-duty truck platform and transformed into what might be the most impressive custom motorhome ever created. When you combine Kenworth's century-plus heritage of building the toughest, most reliable trucks on American roads with the vision of creating the ultimate luxury accommodation, the result is nothing short of extraordinary. The exterior design immediately captures tension with its bold black and gold color scheme that creates dramatic visual impact. The base color is deep glossy black, applied in multiple layers and polished to a mirror-like finish that reflects surroundings with crystal clarity. But what truly elevates this design to artwork status are the gold accents that flow across the body in carefully designed patterns. These aren't simple stripes, but rather sophisticated design elements that emphasize the vehicle's lines while creating visual interest from every angle. The gold trim outlines major body panels, flows along the roofline, emphasizes the window frames, and creates accent lines that draw the eye along the length of this massive vehicle. The contrast between the deep black and brilliant gold creates a color combination that's both classic and contemporary, timeless yet modern. The front cab section is pure Kenworth, featuring the iconic styling that has made these trucks the choice of discerning owner-operators for generations. The vertical grille with its distinctive bars is finished in gold, creating an unmistakable face that announces this vehicle's pedigree from a distance. The Kenworth badge is prominently displayed, likely in gold or chrome, ensuring there's no question about the quality of the chassis underneath all this luxury. The headlights are modern LED units that provide excellent illumination while creating distinctive lighting signatures. The hood is long, stretching out ahead of the windscreen, housing what's undoubtedly a powerful diesel engine capable of moving this massive rig with authority. The bumper features gold accents and integrated lighting, while the overall proportions speak to serious capability and purpose. The living quarters section rises behind the cab in a sophisticated, multi-level design that maximizes interior volume while maintaining aerodynamic efficiency. The structure appears to be approximately 50 feet in length, with multiple levels creating extraordinary interior space. The black body panels are interrupted by large windows that provide natural light and views, while being framed in gold trim that creates visual continuity with the rest of the design. The windows appear to be high-quality tinted glass, providing privacy while still allowing occupants to enjoy their surroundings. The roofline is sophisticated with what appears to be an observation deck or rooftop terrace area, complete with railings and possibly seating, allowing occupants to enjoy outdoor spaces at an elevated level. The gold exhaust stacks rising from behind the cab are immediately catching, finished and polished gold that catches sunlight and creates vertical accent lines that add to the vehicle's commanding presence. These aren't just decorative elements, but functional components of the powerful diesel engine's exhaust system, though executed with far more style than typical commercial applications. Additional gold accents include trim pieces, mirrors, door handles, and various detail elements that create visual richness without becoming overwhelming. The overall effect is one of sophisticated luxury rather than excessive bling. The chassis configuration is substantial, featuring what appears to be a quad rear axle setup with 8 wheels supporting the living quarters section. This massive wheel count isn't for show. It's an engineering necessity to distribute the weight of what is essentially a multi-story mobile structure across enough contact patches to maintain safe tire loadings while providing the stability needed for highway travel. The wheels themselves are polished aluminum or chrome units that complement the gold accents perfectly, the suspension would be sophisticated. Likely air ride systems with electronic controls that can adjust for load road conditions and provide leveling when parked. Stepping inside this Kenworth motorhome would reveal spaces that rival luxury penthouses in their appointments and attention to detail. The ground floor would likely feature an expansive living area with ceiling heights approaching or exceeding 8 feet, creating a spacious feeling enhanced by the abundant natural light from those large windows. The interior design would need to match the sophisticated exterior, likely featuring a color palette that incorporates blacks, golds, and rich accent colors. Premium leather upholstery in multiple textures and colors would be expected, possibly with gold stitching or piping details. Exotic wood veneers, possibly in dark, rich tones, would provide warmth, while polished metal accents in gold or bronze finishes would create visual continuity with the exterior theme. The furniture wouldn't be typical RV pieces, but rather custom-designed elements that could include full-size sofas with premium cushioning and integrated technology, dining tables that could seat 8 or more people comfortably, entertainment centers with large displays and premium audio systems, and possibly even features like electric fireplaces or elaborate built-in bars. The lighting would be sophisticated with multiple layers, including ambient lighting, task lighting, and accent lighting, all adjustable to create different moods for various times of day or activities. The kitchen would be nothing short of spectacular, featuring professional-grade appliances that would satisfy serious cooking enthusiasts, a full-size residential refrigerator with multiple compartments and temperature zones, a professional range with multiple burners and dual ovens, possibly even a separate cooktop island if the floor plan allows, advanced dishwasher systems, and every convenience imaginable. The countertops would likely be premium stone, possibly granite or quartz, with ample preparation space. Custom cabinetry with soft close mechanisms would provide abundant storage, with interiors featuring specialized organization systems, a large farmhouse sink, pot filler faucets, a walk-in pantry, and extensive counter space would all be possibilities in a structure this size. The upper levels accessed by each substantial staircases with proper railings would house the private sleeping quarters. The master bedroom suite would be extraordinary, occupying a significant portion of one entire level. The bed would be oversized, possibly larger than California King, with a premium mattress system and luxury bedding. The room would have independent climate control, integrated entertainment with displays and premium audio, and those large windows providing natural light and views. Walk-in closets with custom organization systems, sitting areas with comfortable furniture, and possibly even private outdoor balcony access would all be expected in a motorhome of this caliber. Additional bedrooms would accommodate family or guests, each designed with the same attention to detail as the master. These wouldn't be cramped RV bunks, but proper bedrooms with adequate floor space, real closets, quality mattresses, and thoughtful design. Each room might have its own bathroom access, or there might be shared facilities, but the quality level would remain consistently high throughout. The bathroom facilities would rival luxury hotels, with the master bathroom featuring a large walk-in shower with multiple shower heads including rainfall options and body jets, premium tile work throughout, heated floors, dual vanities with ample counter space, and excellent lighting. High-end fixtures, possibly with gold finishes to match the exterior theme, and possibly even a separate soaking tub. Additional bathrooms would maintain similar quality standards, with premium materials and fixtures throughout. Ventilation would be powerful yet quiet, and smart glass or quality window treatments would provide privacy. The technology integration would be cutting edge, with a central control system managing every aspect of the motorhome. Occupants could control lighting, climate, entertainment, security, and vehicle systems through wall-mounted touchscreens, personal devices, or voice commands. The system would provide real-time monitoring of all functions including battery levels, fuel status, water and waste tank capacities, tire pressures, and maintenance schedules. Multiple high-definition cameras would provide complete visibility around this large vehicle, making maneuvering surprisingly manageable. Advanced driver assistance features would include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping systems, blind spot monitoring, and collision avoidance technology. This 2026 Kenworth motorhome represents the ultimate expression of American custom motorhome building, where Kenworth's legendary reliability and capability meet luxury accommodations that rival the finest homes, creating a mobile palace that allows its owners to travel anywhere in uncompromising comfort and unmistakable style.